the issue of Mr. Cheriot.
She had come to confirm or deny the allegations of corruption against her husband. It has been alleged that she is the one who introduced one Rose Mbithe to Justice Joseph Mutava. When she appeared before the Judicial Service Commission, Rose Mbithe, a businesswoman, had claimed that Justice Mutava had demanded for a bribe of 2.5 million shillings on behalf of another judge, Leonard Njagi. Before this tribunal, however, she had recanted that accusation.
I hereby swear that whatever I will say.
The judge's wife says she met Rose Mbithe in 2012 during a women's forum when she was campaigning for the Kibwezi East parliamentary seat. Jessica Mbalu had introduced herself as the wife of a judge, and apparently Rose Mbithe was having problems in the judiciary.
Did Rose Mbithe ask you to talk to your husband, Honorable Mr. Justice Mutava, to influence the ruling that was pending in those legal matters of ours?
I want to say a capital no. She did not.
Jessica Mbalu denies any impropriety and also says she never facilitated any communication between her husband and Rose Mbithe. The legislator says that they later met randomly when she was out with her family at the current Brixton Museum, where she introduced her husband to Rose Mbithe, who was then with her daughter.
It was not an arranged meeting, and I did, like any other woman would do. I proudly, and I want to state proudly, introduced Rose Mbithe to my family, starting with my own husband.
Jessica Mbalu has also denied that the introduction of Rose Mbithe, said to be an influential businesswoman and politician in Ukambani, was of benefit to her and her quest to be an MP. The legislator who sits on the Speaker's panel, however, took issue with how the tribunal has handled some of its procedures. The initial letter summoning her, for instance, was sent through Parliament, a service she says was not proper.
Following the investigation, Chairman, I really feel like it's an attack to my family.
3 of us here are colleagues of your husband. We are judges. So it's not something easy.
As a wife, as a family.
She has also been angered by the publication of all her mobile phone details, which she says should have remained private or should have only captured the specific dates where it is alleged that her number was used for communication between Rose Mbithe and her husband, the judge.
And I did not give a consent. Chairman, I wish I was treated more fairly to even be given a consent. Jessica, you've refused that you've not. Can we give a consent that you communicate to Safaricom?
The tribunal has adjourned till the 2nd of June. Chief Justice Willie Mutunga is expected to appear before it on the 8th of June, and the CEO of mobile service provider Airtel could also be summoned if the company fails to provide details of a telephone number the tribunal had requested for. The allegations of corruption in the higher and the lower levels of the judiciary have dented its image and perception among Kenyans. However, the tribunal offers them a chance to clear their names and defend themselves. But in this particular case, for instance, there will still be 4 more witnesses before the judge can have a chance to do that. Andrew Ochieng, NTV.